everyone, it's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. So we are spending a few days with our family down in Wiltshire, and we went out shopping today and I got a few bits that I wanted to show you. But before I show you that, on our way down we actually stopped at a Portuguese supermarket slash cafe, and I picked up a few bits. Not very much because it was so expensive, but it was just the little things to help me with my Portuguese food withdrawal symptoms, if you wish. So let me show you what I got there. So I picked up some of these. These are stock cubes, and this one is alho, which is garlic, louro, which is bay leaf, and pimentão, which is peppers. And this is awesome if you want to make rice. It will give you that traditional Portuguese rice flavour. So it's very hard to find something like that in England. The other one I got was a seafood stock cubes, and a lot of the recipes I make for like seafood rice ask for it, so I was very pleased to find it. Then I also picked up chouriça serrana, which is like our version of chorizo. Let me show you there. If you don't know Portuguese food, you can eat this as is. It's already cooked. It's basically smoked. There you go. It says that. Smoked sausage. But it has all the traditional flavourings in it. So it's delicious. I can't wait to crack into that. I also picked up a massive jar of pickles. These are Portuguese pickles, and traditionally we pickle like cauliflower. There's also carrots and onions in there, and other few vegetables, and you cannot get this in England, so I picked that up. I paid £3.49, which I think is quite a lot, but beggars can't be choosers. I also picked up a cheese, which I've already opened and eaten some. I actually bought some marmelada, which is quince paste, and I forgot that downstairs, but if you want me to show you, I can show you another time. So Paul and I had some of this. This is a buttery cheese. I'll show you. Let me open it up. It's not very buttery. It's not as buttery as some of the ones you can get, but it's so good. And then the only other thing I picked up, are you ready, was Nestum. Now Nestum is actually a kids cereal. It's made with oats, but it's not like oatmeal or like porridge, not at all. It's quite sweet, and this is the honey flavour, and it's delicious. And even though it's for children, I still love it. Obviously I don't eat it all the time, and look, I've already had some last night. Love this. So yes. So that was all the stuff that I picked up from the Portuguese shop, and believe it or not, I spent like 30 odd pounds. Super expensive. We did have a few things to eat there, just a couple of cakes and some Portuguese coffee and some juice and things like that. So that was very expensive. I thought you'd probably not pay half of that in Portugal, but beggars cannot be choosers, and obviously I just wanted some of this stuff, so I bought it. Now then, we arrived here, and today we went into town, and I've got some stuff in a charity shop. Let me show you that next. So I managed to find this very lightweight coat. It's sort of, what do you call it, waterproof. It's ideal for spring, you know, for this sort of weather. It's not too warm, and it's just bright pink. I paid £6.75, and actually looks like it's in new condition. Here's the brand. I've never heard of it. Heather Valley. So, like I said, I've never heard of them. The other thing I picked up was this cute purse. I just fell in love with it. It's got like a long handle, so it's like I can use it as crossbody, and it's from Atmosphere. And look at the inside. I just thought that was so cute, and very much something that I can use in spring and summer. I just thought it was so adorable, and I paid £4 for that. And then Paul found one of these drawing sketch pads, and this was £1. It was brand new. And then our mother-in-law, my mother-in-law, bought Alex this little book as well. And that's all we've got. And then I went to Waitrose. Let me show you what I got there. So I picked up, this is a new brand for my Dolce Gusto pod machine. That was $2.50, and it's actually decaf coffee. So I cannot wait to try that. I got some Method because that was £2. And this, I have used that for years, the lavender one. And I haven't bought the lavender one probably in a couple of years because there's been so many other flavours. So I just picked up £2. I got some of the washing up liquid that I like. That was £1.66. A biggish bottle of Unstoppables, and that was promotion for £5. They had a huge promotion on Method. I got some hand soap. This is the Botanical Garden. Focus. And that was £1.33, which I thought was a good price. I got a candle for Alex's birthday. I also picked up some Essentials Waitrose Bluebell. This is bubble bath, but I use this as hand soap. It's the same stuff, but just a lot cheaper. And then I got some baking powder, and I picked up one of these soaps, Lime and Basil. Ooh, hand polish moisturizing soap. And that's it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.